Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief comparison of Guesty and Hostaway. Now, these two software are two property management platforms that are built for short-term rental operators. And we're going to go ahead and compare them based on 6 factors, which are purpose, key features, best for, pricing, ease of use, and integration. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So first up, with Guesty, the main purpose of this software is that it's a feature-rich property management platform made for large-scale, short-term rental businesses offering advanced automation and multi-channel distribution. Now, as for Hostaway, it's a more flexible, user-friendly platform designed for property managers and small to mid-sized businesses focusing on channel management and integrations. Now let's move on to both of these platforms' key features, starting with Guesty. So we have advanced automation tools such as messaging and task assignments, unified inbox for guest communication, channel management across platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, and VRBO, and you also have financial tools such as owner reports, revenue tracking, and access to Guesty's API for custom integrations. So right here, you can also see an extensive list of their key features from analytics all the way down to their unified box and some more over here. Now for Hostaway, you have access to a powerful channel management with real-time updates. There's also a centralized calendar and inbox, automated messaging and task management, analytics, dashboards and reporting, and direct booking website builder. Now, if you ask what Guesty is best for, then mainly Guesty is catered to larger property management companies or those with complex needs managing up to 10 plus properties across multiple channels. Now, as for Hostaway, this is mostly for smaller to mid-sized operators or property managers seeking an affordable, intuitive solution with strong integrations. Now let's try to compare their pricing right over in this section. As you can see, both of these platforms are actually custom priced, and it's dependent on the number of properties and features needed. But typically, Guesty is more expensive, and as for Hostaway, they're generally more affordable since they cater to small to medium-sized businesses. So you can see their pricing here. But for Hostaway, you're going to have to get in touch with their team first. So just that's going to be after you send an email and fill in these necessary details. Now you can see Guesty's pricing right over here. They have a light version for $16 per month, but this is only the minimum. For Pro, you need to get a quote, and for Enterprise, it's a customized deal. So it works similarly with Hostaway in such that you need to get in touch with their team to actually get your quote. Now, talking about ease of use, Guesty offers a comprehensive suite of tools but can have a steeper learning curve, especially for new users. But for Hostaway, it's known for its straightforward, user-friendly interface and quick setup. Now, lastly, for integration, Guesty has extensive integrations with third-party tools, OTAs, and payment systems. As for Hostaway, it has strong channel integrations such as Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, and compatibility with accounting, marketing, and CRM tools. So in summary, you'd best choose Guesty if you manage a large number of properties, need advanced automation, and can invest in a more robust platform. Now, you should choose Hostaway if you're a small to mid-sized operator looking for a more cost-effective and user-friendly solution with strong channel management. Nevertheless, both platforms excel at streamlining property management and multi-channel distribution, with Guesty suited for scalability and Hostaway ideal for simplicity. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.